Tiko mugavana bw'EKAONTI ya NYAMIRA Amos Nyaribo anyara koba KOERERA Bosio Bw'Ekomiti ya Senate koerera igoro y'obotumeki bw'ekibesa cy'EKAONTI yaye. Mugavana uyo nigo bona anyara koba KOERERA Bosio Bw'Ekomiti iyo atabwati amasikara yo kuunenkia obotumeki bw'ekibesa shilingi 1,53,5 asense mu municipality babego shilingi 1,35,2 cie company ya mache ya Guasco. Kadekyo kyaragwa na Seneta bw'EKAONTI ya Migori Ediokech na bwigo Seneta bw'EKAONTI ya NYAMIRA Okongo Mugeni nigo banyara koba bakurwa amaborio igoro y'obotumeki bw'ekibesa hase baichandira okuborwa n'obuwasi oku igoro y'obokoreri n'obotumeki bw'ekibesa ekyo. Mugavana Nyaribo nigo bona aegwa matuko 30 kurwa oroboti igoro y'obotumeki bw'ekibesa ekyo.
Entity. So surely the entity that does exist. Where are the financial documents that comprises everything that the debtor is asking for, including the board, including the means of those boards, how they hire people, including all the other expenses? Governor, there is no excuse around this. Where are the financial documents for this particular company?
I think the minister can give us details of the state of the company and the current status.
There were no any audited financials for this municipality that you gave to the audit. So how do they confirm where these funds went to? The only way they confirm how these funds went to is they go to IFMIS, which they're allowed to do. And then they bring me this document, how that money was spent. Again, the same exercise. I want to take you through. Under that, NYAMIRA salaries, NYAMIRA county salaries for this particular staff under these municipalities was 7 million. That one was paid. If you look at the total by the end of the year under review, and then if you look at March 2025 on 6th, there was a withdrawal of 222,000 by a gentleman called Patrick Orina Okioi. Do you know Patrick Orina Okioi? You are aware, right? The explanation for this money was preparing municipal plan. So it existed. Samuel Makoka Osike. Do you know the gentleman? Yeah? You know him, Governor. Governor, nodding is not recorded or answered.
Chairman, I don't know him personally, but the minister knows him.
The minister knows him?
Yes.
Minister, are you aware of Samuel Makoka Osike?
I know him, Chairman.
You know him. On 28th March 2025, withdrawal of 297,800 public participation is what is indicated in IFMIS. Do you know that the same gentleman again on 7th March did 2 withdrawals? He did the first withdrawal of 50,000 stationary.
Governor, are you really in control of what is happening in your county, Governor? You don't strike me as if you know what's going on. Do you attend these exit meetings, these entry meetings? Do you personally sit to attend in those meetings?
I do attend, but this one I didn't.
You didn't?
Yes.
So that's why you appear totally clueless today. You don't know what really happened. Is that the reason why you don't know what really transpired? Huh?
Within executive, because the incorporation had not happened. So it is still under the executive.
When did you incorporate?
Because this is supposed to be a company that is independent. I don't know auditors.
Wait.
In terms of the legal position, I thought, at least from my experience from CPAC, we have been treating water companies as independent entities, and anytime we see anything relating to water companies, we say, let them go to CPIC. How do you do your audits yourselves?